Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on statistics for management 2. On chapter 1, the direction is as usual, choose the best answer. Question 1, which of the following best defines statistics? A. Science of collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting data. B. Study of business management. C. Study of economic policy. D. Study of financial markets. The answer for this question is A. Science of collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting data. Question number 2. A population in statistics refers to dash. A. Only people live in a country. B. A subset of data selected for study. C. The entire group of elements under investigation. D. A group selected randomly. The answer for this question is C. The entire group of elements under investigation. Question number 2. Which statement best describes a sample? A. Complete list of population members. B. Subset selected from a population. C. A statistical method of analysis. D. A census of all units. The answer for this question is B. A subset selected from a population. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a reason for using the sample? A. Population may be too large. B. Lower cost and time. D. Distractive testing. D. To eliminate all errors completely. The answer for this question is D. To eliminate all errors completely. Is not the reason for using sample. Question number 5. A sample frame is dash. A technique used to select sample. B. A statistical formula. C. A list of all sampling units in the population. D. A summary of collected data. The answer for this question is C. A list of all sampling units in the population. Question number 6. If population size is 200 and the sample size is 25, the systematic sampling interval K is approximately dash. Do you know the formula for just calculating the interval K, which is equal to population divided by size of the population divided by size of the sample. So here is the population size is 200 divided by 25 sample size, which is equal to 8. So the answer is B. Question number 7. Which of the following is a probability sampling technique? A. Quota sampling. B. Confidence sampling. C. Snowball sampling. D. Simple random sampling. The answer for this question is D. Simple random sampling. Question number 8. In stratified sampling, the population is divided into dash A. Random groups. B. Homogeneous subgroups. C. Geographical clusters only. D. Arbitrary categories. The answer for this question is B. Homogeneous subgroups. Question number 9. Population size n which is equal to 500. Sample size n which is equal to small n which is equal to 50. And strata size nh is equal to 100. Find sample size for that strata. So the sample for that strata which is equal to nh, population size of the strata, divided by the population times by n. So the population size of the strata is 100. The population size is 500. So 100 divided by 500 times the sample size is 50 times by 50, which is equal to 10. So the answer is C. Question number 10. Cluster sampling is mainly used when dash. A. Population is homogeneous. B. Population is geographically scattered. C. Population size is small. D. Sampling frame is perfect. So the answer for this is B. Population is geographically scattered. Question number 11. Which sampling method selects respondents based on convenience? A. Convenience sampling. B. Stratified sampling. C. Systematic sampling. D. Cluster sampling. The answer for this question is A. Convenience sampling. Question number 12. If a population contains 7 elements and the samples of size 2 are selected without replacement, the number of possible samples is dash. To calculate the possible number of samples from the population, we have to apply combination. So here the population contains 7 elements, capital N combined with the sample size small n. So the population size is 7 combined 2, which is equal to 21. So B, which is the answer is B. Question number 13. Sampling bias occur when dash. A. Sample size is large. B. Units are selected randomly. C. Certain members of the population are favored in selection. D. All members have equal chance. The answer for this question is C. Certain members of the population are favored in selection. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of non-sampling error? A. Random selection error. B. Measurement error. C. Sampling variance. D. Sample size effect. The answer for this question is B. Measurement error. Question number 15. Population mean, which is equal to mu 4.13, and the sample mean x bar, which is equal to 4.8. The sampling error is equal to dash. To calculate this, we have to deduct the sample mean from the sample mean, the population mean. So sampling error, which is equal to 4.8 minus 4.13, which is equal to 0.63. The answer is B. Question number 16. Which sampling method ensures each population element has equal probability of selection? A. Simple random sampling. B. Convenience sampling. C. Quota sampling. D. Purposive sampling. The answer for this question is A. Simple random sampling. Question number 17. The sampling distribution of the mean is dash. A. The distribution of the population values. B. The distribution of the sample means. C. Distribution of population variance. D. Distribution of sample size. The answer for this question is B. Distribution of sample means. Question number 18. If the population weights are 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 8, 9, the population mean is equal to, so when we first we have to add all these values. So when we add, we get 54, and we have to divide it by number of the population. So the number of population is 7, so 54 divided by 7, which is equal to 7.71. so the answer is C. Question number 19. Which statement about sampling distribution is correct? A. The mean of sample mean is not equal to population mean. B. Sampling distribution has larger variance than population. C. Sample mean distribution is always uniform. D. Mean of sample mean equal population mean. So here the answer is D. Mean of sample mean equal population mean. Question number 20. Standard error measure dash. A. Variation among population values. B. Variation among sample means. C. Population mean deviations. D. Sample frame error. The answer for this is B. Variation among sample means. Viewers, thank you for attending. This is all about today's presentation.